Hello guys, welcome to Tech Skills tutorial. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to always get notified when I upload new videos like this. It's me Jekyll here on this video episode. I'm going to show you guys how to actually get loan cash online. There are a lot of online loan apps that are actually giving money as a company to people, individuals, and other companies who also needs money to survive. So what I'm talking about right here is just that I'm going to show you step by step how to get money legitimately online without getting scammed, and is one of the most trusted legitimate company which can give you money online with a very secured encrypted system, which your information is well kept and not sold out. So please do not forget to subscribe to support my channel. Thank you for doing that once again. Thanks so much. Make a good comment below. Tell me the kind of videos you like me to create for you, and don't forget to share with your friends and families to also get help through my videos like this. Okay guys, in the description below you can contact me, any of my information, like you can use my WhatsApp number to reach me or my email. Thank you guys. So right here, step by step, for only people in Nigeria, you can get money from this app I'm going to show you. Number one, I only have one app today to show you. So this is called FAIRMONEY. FAIRMONEY is an online app. Yeah, it's an online app. It actually helps you to earn money online. Sorry, it actually helps you to get loan online. So right here guys, we are on the dashboard. So these my transactions, and you can see I've taken some loans right here. I took my first loan, 5,000. You can see I paid back. The ones I'm paying are green. Yeah, the ones they gave me is 5,000. I borrowed 5,000 two times, and you can see I paid back. So they give you 1 month to pay back, and as you pay back they increase more time for you to pay. Like they will increase and add more days, 1 month, 3 days, and so on, and they will also increase the amount you can be able to borrow. So from this app you can start borrowing from any amount, though mine started with 5,000. Some other people started with different amounts. So all I'm just showing you guys is that this is a legitimate app to borrow money online, and I'm not actually saying that this company is one of the best, but to me is the best. I can actually um address you to this company as one of the best company which you can do business with. So right here guys, do not forget to follow my referral link on this video if you want to get an account with this FAIRMONEY company loan app. Use my referral code um on my description below, or hit my referral link on my description below. And that is all I have for you on this video. Please subscribe and hit the notification button. I still remain Johnson Kevin. Do not forget to share to your friends. Love you.